Join me as I challenge myself to stick to a morning routine that promises to boost my weight loss. Let's see if it really works. If you're like many of us, you've probably struggled with weight loss at some point, feeling like you're doing everything right, but not seeing the results you want. Mornings can be particularly tough, hitting the snooze button over and over, rushing out the door without breakfast, and setting a chaotic tone for the rest of the day. This chaos can lead to poor food choices, skipping meals, and a general feeling of being off track. The morning hours are crucial because they can make or break your momentum for healthy habits. Many people overlook the importance of starting their day on a positive note, thinking that a quick fix or a late-day workout can compensate for a disorganized morning. However, research shows that those who establish a consistent morning routine tend to have better eating habits, more energy, and a stronger commitment to their fitness goals. I used to be a snooze button addict, but once I started my day with purpose, I noticed a significant shift in my motivation and overall health. For instance, simply drinking a glass of water first thing in the morning helped me stay hydrated throughout the day. A successful morning routine that supports weight loss often includes a combination of hydration, exercise, and healthy breakfast choices. Drinking water or a metabolism-boosting beverage first thing in the morning can jumpstart your metabolism. Adding a short, effective workout like yoga or a brisk walk not only burns calories, but also increases your energy levels. And when it comes to breakfast, choosing a nutrient-dense meal like oatmeal with fruits and nuts can provide sustained energy and prevent overeating later in the day. I've found that a 10-minute yoga session in the morning sets a positive tone for my day and helps me stay focused. Incorporating a mindfulness practice, like meditation or deep breathing, can also enhance your morning routine by reducing stress and improving your mental clarity. This can help you make better food choices and stay motivated to reach your goals. Another strategy is to get some natural light exposure, which helps regulate your circadian rhythms and can improve your mood and energy levels. Even a short walk outside in the morning can make a big difference. By prioritizing these activities, you'll be more likely to stick to your healthy habits and see progress in your weight loss journey. One unique strategy that can supercharge your morning routine is implementing what's called morning sunlight exposure. This involves getting outside or opening your curtains to let natural light into your room within the first 10 minutes of waking up. This simple act can help regulate your circadian rhythms, improve your mood, and boost your metabolism. It's an easy yet powerful tip that can make a significant difference in how you feel and your ability to lose weight. To recap, a well-crafted morning routine can be a game changer for weight loss. By incorporating hydration, exercise, healthy breakfast choices, and mindfulness practices, you set yourself up for success. If you're looking for more tips on healthy habits, be sure to check out my video on 10 simple swaps for a healthier lifestyle. And if you have a favorite morning habit that helps you stay on track, I'd love to hear about it in the comments below.